So, your Mach-E flashed a "Stop Safely Now" warning right after you put your foot down or used a fast charger. You want to know why? That warning means a key part inside your high-voltage battery is likely failing from heat. And it's a known issue on certain models. Inside your car is a component called the High-Voltage Battery Junction Box, or HVBJB. It's the main hub for electrical power. Within that box are two main contactors. Think of them like massive power switches that connect the battery to the motors. On 2021 and early 2022 models, particularly the GT and other high-output trims, these contactors weren't quite robust enough for the job. When you accelerate hard or pull a huge amount of power from a DC fast charger, the current flowing through those switches generates intense heat right at the connection points. It's like running a powerful tool on a thin extension cord. The plug gets hot. Over time, this repeated heat physically deforms the metal surfaces inside the contactor. They begin to pit, arc, and can eventually melt just enough to weld themselves shut or stick in the open position. The car's computer expects to be able to open and close these switches instantly. When it sends a command to a contactor that's been fused into a solid piece of metal, it gets no response. It detects this critical failure, immediately cuts all power to protect the entire system, and throws that "Stop Safely Now" warning on your dash. To you, it feels like a complete and sudden loss of propulsion. Now, Ford did issue a software recall, number 22S41, to address this. It's important to understand what this software actually does. It doesn't fix the physical undersized part. Instead, it acts as a watchdog. It constantly monitors the contactors for signs of overheating. If it senses trouble, it proactively limits your car's power output to prevent the parts from getting hot enough to weld themselves. It's a patch that makes your car less likely to leave you stranded, but it also makes it less powerful when you ask for performance. The only permanent solution is a hardware replacement. To confirm the diagnosis, a technician will connect a scanner and look for specific diagnostic trouble codes. The main ones you'll see are P0AA6, P0AA7, or P0AA8. If those codes are present, it's a clear sign the contactors have failed. The fix is to replace the entire HVBJB assembly. When you take your car in, be clear that you want the hardware replaced. Insist on the newer, updated part, which typically has the part number NK4Z10C666C, or a version with a later letter at the end. This is the component designed to handle the heat and solve the problem for good. Relying only on the software patch means you're living with a compromised car. You'll have reduced power when you need it most, and you still have a weak part waiting to fail. So, if you get that warning, push for a diagnostic check and the updated junction box. It's the only way to restore your car's full performance and reliability.